Go-getters, affiliate traffic brokers, it's me, Marlon O'Bennett, guys, and I'm back. I'm back for another secondsplash.com YouTube video review, guys, and I'm going to pick up where I left off in the last video. I was running out of time on my actual my camera. I have to delete some of the files, guys. You know. So anyway, guys, let's continue talking about secondsplash.com. And today we're going to go inside the membership, and we're going to talk about where we left off in the last video, guys. And guys, since we're talking about traffic, right? And we you know, I'm always talking about traffic, and I am an affiliate traffic broker, guys. Let me ask you something, and I'm quoting Richard Branson here, guys. If someone offers you an amazing opportunity, right, and you're not sure whether or not you can do it, what Richard Branson says is you should just say yes, right, and then learn how to do it later, right? Does that make sense? Like, whatever it is you want to do, right, unless you start doing it, you're never going to be where it is you want to be. And if you're not doing it on a regular enough basis, you're never going to get where you want to get. So there's a process that you have to go through to get to where it is you want to be. Anyway, before I break into a rant, guys, let's get back to what we're talking about. Let's get back to the affiliate traffic brokers, guys. Let's get back to talking about traffic and why secondsplash.com is going to fall right near the top of the list of the affiliate traffic broker marketing system, right? Okay, you guys have seen the $25 membership. You guys have seen the actual the marketing systems. There's two of them. Really cool stuff, right? We're talking about being traffic brokers here, guys. I'm thinking about tweaking the page a little bit, but right now it will suffice, guys. Okay, we're talking about perpetuating the growth of our business by being able to buy and purchase traffic we can use to build our businesses, but then go out as resellers of that traffic and level the playing field, guys, and actually pay ourselves as we build in our list. So when it comes to secondsplash.com, it's a perfect fit for the affiliate traffic brokers. It's a perfect fit for the affiliate traffic brokers. Let me tell you why. The level I'm coming in at right now, guys, is a $22 a month level, right? You can buy traffic. Well, you will be able to buy traffic for a lot less than $22 when we get into the media buys. And you can actually get it when you look at your cost per click in a lot of the places that's built inside affiliate traffic brokers. But what I'm saying is you can't go out and buy a traditional solo ad for $22 a month, right? You just can't. And you'd have to you continue to purchase traffic wherever you buy traffic at. So let's assume you came into secondsplash.com at the $22 a month price point, right? Now there are two others. We'll cover them in another video. But so that's $22 a month. But you're talking about traffic, guys, and we're gonna get into this traffic, right? I want you guys to see this. So we're gonna go back inside, right? And we're gonna do exactly what we did last time. I was on this page. I took you guys through this amazing experience, which your potential prospects will come through at the same time. And we're going to end up on the page where we're going to talk about traffic, okay? Because I really want you guys to get this, okay? So what Bruce Baxter talks about in this particular sales page, guys, in this bridge page, is he says, just face it, right? The two biggest problems newbies and seasonal marketers alike face when endeavoring to make a living online or trying to generate quality traffic to their offers while struggling to make a buck or two in the process, right? We won't even go into the frustrations of running paid campaigns with the likes of Google and Facebook, right? So you want to be perpetuating the growth of your business by being an affiliate traffic broker. And inside of secondsplash.com, guys, that's exactly what you are. You know, it's a part of the affiliate traffic brokers, and you are a broker of traffic, right? What we're going to talk about, and what you guys will find when I leave the link to this video, you guys pull it up, make sure you go through the entire page, listen to the entire videos, right? Here are the benefits, right? Unstoppable traffic, viral referral system. We talked about it in the last video. Passive income. It's newbie friendly, performance, and I don't know what that Splash Gordon's insights are, guys. I haven't been in there. But we're talking about unstoppable traffic, right? And what we're saying in the captions is you won't be able to stop it once it starts, even if you wanted to. Now, you may be thinking, yeah, how is that so? Well, when you guys come down here and you start reading through the page and you start understanding how the actual viral referral system works, then you're going to understand it, guys. And you got to remember, let me see, can I get back in? You got to remember, these people, the more that they promote, everybody you bring in, the more traffic you're going to get, the more leads you should be able to get, the more exposure you should be able to get. And if you tied in as an affiliate, guys, you can earn affiliate commissions, passive income. So look, I'm excited about it, right? You know I'm excited about it. I actually text Bruce today, and I actually sent him a testimonial just based on what I see so far, right? And he's really, really quick, right? He actually put my testimonial up, guys. I'm going to pull it up real quick. But you can see, and we haven't even officially launched, guys. And they go, there's Richard Daigle. People are just coming in. They're looking at it. They understanding the awesome power of what it is and what it can do. And so that's what's got me really, 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 really super pumped and super excited about it, right? So remember, this is the same experience that your potential prospects will have. I want you guys to understand this, right? I'm still going through it, guys. I'm still amazed every time I come into my membership and I read something new. Every time I see a new feature, right? Something I'm like, it's hard for me to fathom because it's really, for $22 a month, you're just not going to beat it. Right, you're just not gonna beat it, guys. Okay, so I was on. I actually was watching some of these testimonials, and I was looking at Richards over here, and Richards was saying, "I consider this blockbuster the greatest advertising tool of the decade. This never been done before technology using splash pages is simply ingenious. And the ability to build a viral passive income has never been simpler." Right? We're talking about simplicity, ease, and speed, right? Okay, Barbie over here says, internet marketers typically want all the spoils for themselves. But this one works because it's so different. And remember, this is different, guys. I said it's more than meets the eye. I'm actually explaining some of this to you guys right now. After looking under the surface, I now realize that secondsplash.com is set up so that everyone wins, right? Get this, right? By sharing. The Second Splash's ingenious system works because it promotes everybody's doubling and more signups and traffic to our favorite programs, guys. Are you guys understanding the awesome power of that when we start talking about that viral reverse referral system, right? That's what brings us to the unstoppable traffic, right? It is newbie friendly. The performance alone is built in, right? That's how you create some passive income. We're not even talking about we talked about the traffic, right? We know how powerful and effective the traffic can be, right? So that's a lot to be excited about. Let me see, can I get into another page? That's a lot to be excited about. And so that's why I continue to talk about it. And that's why it's going into the affiliate traffic brokers lineup. And I don't know where I'm going to place it exactly, but it will be inside the lineup, guys. When we get inside when we're inside the affiliate traffic brokers, you guys are going to get a chance to see that, right? And so that's what's got me so super pumped up and super excited, guys. And you know what? I'm going to keep right on doing the videos. I'm going to keep right on inviting you guys to get in, because the way that we start driving traffic, or when we start driving traffic, if we can drive enough traffic, and we can, right? We're affiliate traffic brokers. We can really build it out really, really fast. And so that you talk about that viral component of being able to build this thing out really, 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 really quick. And so that's another one of the things that's got me excited. So as you guys go through the page, and I invite you guys to come through, click the link below the YouTube video, in the YouTube video description area. If you guys are on, you've seen this any other way, there'll be a link at the wow, I never saw this page. There'll be a link at the right below this video. I guess these are some of the bonuses, guys. Let me scroll up a little bit. Wow, quite a stuff. Quite a bit of things going on here. Let me get back for a second. And remember, affiliate traffic brokers, this is going in the lineup. It's going to be near the top in the lineup. And it actually comes inside of that $25 package, right? This is another one of those great tools that you'll be just passing along inside of that package. So again, a lot to be super pumped up and super excited about, right? I was looking and hoping I could find my testimonial because I saw it on here earlier and I can't find it now. It's not that important. I was impressed at the speed in which he was able to put it on the page, and so I guess these pages will. I guess they rotate. I can't figure out where it is or where it went, but it doesn't matter, guys. My testimonial is in here as well, and you'll see it probably somewhere on the page when you opt in. Read over all the testimonials, go through the system, understand the system, guys, and lock yourself in a position. Okay. Thanks for sitting in on the video, guys. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. I'm out of here. Miles to go before I sleep and 1,001 more videos to do. Let's get hot and I'll see you guys in the next video.